There's the lady getting out in Homps. Yes, making sure she looks cool.
Well, the captain of our ship is, and we're so French, we even bought a baguette. Have a look at our baguette. We have a bottle of wine. This is the first thing we're doing on board, is eat and drink.
Beautiful blue cheese. Look, goat's cheese. Oh, and she's sick.
Inside steering, but apparently we must only use the outside one. And there's a bedroom down there.
With her new Paris glasses on too. Unbelievable. I'm taking a picture on the top of our boat. Just check here. This is what I saw in the background. The Eiffel Tower.
My captain, my captain.
Steering is not working. This is not the way I'm really.
Would you say it's a Dodgem car? Perfect. Well, Grant is having trouble.
I fucking hate this. This is like totally ridiculous. Like Frenchmen, everything is late. The steering won't steer. I've got to look. We're going skew down the bloody locks. Constantly steering about 20 turns to the right. Nothing happens. Then it does too much.
Well, by the time we get to the first lock, I'm sure you'll control it. Are you having more fun?
No, I'm hating it. This is approaching our first lock, but I must admit the captain is still very nervous. This bloody boat responds so slowly that you've got to be ahead of yourself all the time.
Yeah, this is our first lock. There is Grant waiting. And this is going to fill with water or whatever, I'm not sure. This man is entering the lock.
I'm going to show you M handling the ropes here. We're in a lock at the moment, and there's M down the front on that rope, and there's the guy at the top. He's the lock master.
Tell me, how was that first lock?
You moet concentratie op die stasie. In French it means keep your cool. If you're not cool, you're going to get drowned. It's just the boat, it does what it, the wind behind us is blowing it off its arse. A new way of
well, that's all I need to know. I need to have faith. Second lock managed. Here comes Grant. Watch my captain. We have now had, I suppose, 3 locks, and we survived, and Grant is very good.
A sip of Coke.
Have you got time for that?
This is a lock filling up now. I don't know why it's filling up. It should be going down, but anyway. Marie.
Oh yeah, I'm holding tight.
Plant all of these trees along the sides here, because they had a disease last year and they all cut it down. Look at this quaint little place, eh?
Look at the concentration. Now we're going to go under this narrow bridge. Oops. Oops. Now the ducking. Now the ducking.
I'll never do that again.
That was a little hairy, but it was fun. Lining up perfectly. A bit of ducking is required. Duck.
Well, I'm down.
Slowly going towards the next town. Washing
smalls.
Washing your smalls.
Mine are bigs, young, not small.
I'm having coffee.
You can't really see our faces, doesn't it? Cheers.
It looks like we're happy. It looks like we're happy.
That menu which says it all, doesn't it? And where are we?
Wonderful little place.
What's it called? Ah. Does it tell you how many boats there are here? Huh? Just watch this. Check it out, and I.
What are we doing this time? Drinking again?
Check it out, and I. I'm having una beer.
I'm having un verre de vin.
To say, when I say, she said to me, voulez-vous un vin? I say, Perlemon. Tonight, we're eating at the E equals O over naught. And my dining partner is none other
Than Lady M.
than Lady M.
Lemon pie, tarte citron.
Oof, that's nice. How much is that?
8.
I might have that.
Profiterole classique.
Oh my God.
That's $9.50.
You know what Grant's having tonight? Profiterole. First time I've ever had it.
This is cassoulet. Now, we always said we will have cassoulet when we're here. Being a little French, how could we have a pizza?
Perlemon.
Disembarking.
Spiders. Okay. And what is that you got? You think you're French?
Oui.
Oui.
It's a late breakfast on board because we think the shop's only open at 10, so we just bought some more things. And there's the man having water with his breakfast.
Captain. There's the first maitress, not mate, maitress. Morning.
Yet another bridge to go under. I'm just going down a bit here. Go down, duck, Grant. Duck low, duck very low. Just duck. Yet another one. I hope my captain can go low. Jesus, Grant, you better go flat. Flat! Wow, that was low.
That is the lowest bridge that we've ever been under. Just check how low that is. I had to duck, seriously duck. These little ports here, you plug in your water and stuff like that. Called Horizon 3. Right, so if I pan back from our boat, we're in a little coffee bar, and there's Emofsky, and she's having la café. Bonjour. Yes, I'm checking on every possible thing in the world that's happening. Where we've come from, where we're going, where we might have been, where we might be someday soon.
What the weather is.
What the weather is. You ask Em, she knows it all.
Carpaccio. Grant is having a burger.
And
pommes frites. And we are sharing just some extra green salad.
Here we are in the Midi, and guess what? There's a South African. And then there's these beautiful stained glass windows of angels flying from heaven. And they're all leading to one thing. They're just angels upon angels. And I'm telling you, oh no, there's the angel. I knew it was there somewhere.
Di Boblesi Cavonte. Di Shonte proprio siete. Non tre cavabasta, no.
It's our next little village. Heaven knows what it is, but there's our boat.
Desserts Perlemon. Perlemon à la nougat glacée. Un Berlemoen fondant.
Is Em checking out a possible dinner place for us tonight? All right, this is the official take one. And this is not because of the rose in the front. It's because of those roses there. This is poil. Poil, we don't know what we're talking about. But look how pretty that is. And everybody eats up on that sort of... Got to go 3 knots through towns, which is crawling. At the moment we're doing 5 knots, so you can imagine how slow it is. Doesn't help, the steering is still difficult.
And I can see light on the other side and it looks clear. One more last hoot. Should be fine. This is the Malpas tunnel and we can see the other side. Perfect, Grant. Close to the left. Yay! Well done, Captain.
Here we are at the Fonseron locks, and I'm having something from the patisserie.
I'm having Parlemoen.
You can see the locks filling up from the top. You'll see there the boats. So this lock is just filled, so they'll be at the right height now to slip into the next one. So here's the first one into this captured lock area. The next one slipping in next to it. This guy walks with a rope. Please look at the audience we have. So if you make one mistake, they laugh and laugh and laugh at you. Isn't the Queen herself?
Just witnessed 100 boats coming through.
It's 1 minute to count down for the Fonserock locks, and racing driver Grant is having his last cigarette before all hell breaks loose. Waiting for a mistake.
Now this captain has just managed the Fonseron locks and I think we did it fine.
Yes, no hell. I've seen worse. Yeah, it's a river crossing a river.
Yeah.
Le Bridge, le Wine, le Farmland, le Capitaine.
Le Capitaine. Highway boat cyclists.
There's our boat there. They were parked there.
Possibly illegally.
Possibly illegally. Every time I come near a patisserie, they slam the doors closed and cause me pain. And what are you going to have, Mark?
Je voudrais un verre de vin blanc et
Blank what?
vin.
Cheers, Em. Ma bière, délicieux.
Délicieux. Mon verre de vin blanc.
Take 2. Ma bière, la Tichillon. Voulez-vous manger?
Ah oui, je vais marcher. Merci.
Ah, merci.
Voilà.
Is none other than asparagus tips.
L'asperge.
Yeah. And le garlic.
Le melon.
Le melon.
Melon. I roll the melon.
Em's wine for tonight.
It's an assemblage de Grenache et de
Viva Louis!
May we? Been talking about asparagus since we got here. And Grant, tell me first, in French, are you enjoying it?
Bonjour.
The ball was good.
There we are, not at Les Miserables, but at the Enfants Terribles. And if you want an Enfant Terribles, have a look at this one. There it is. Look at that shadow, look.
Okay, but now let's just kiss on the shoulder.
This is Marie buying some, we just bought some Rockefeller
In my bag, yes.
Interesting. Emma's going to make us a little bowl of olives here. We're going to try some different ones.
Handling it expertly. Good. Leaving our base where we spent 2 nights. Last stop ahead. Our boats permanently parked here. Obviously some people live on them. Check the washing there. This one's got birds in a cage. Garden boxes.
All the little children watching the locks. There's Em all the way down here.
Oui! Merci beaucoup. Here at the base, and he reversed in beautifully.
Boat yard at the end of our journey. You can just see first 2 hours were very stressful.
And I was very nervous before the Fonseron locks. Seriously nervous. I just don't know why, but I was. But it was fine.
And tell me, how good did Captain Preston reverse this boat back in?
Oh, this was
here?
amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
I should have filmed him reversing, but I was ready to be first mate. The captain of our ship, you were just saying something profound, like it wasn't that difficult, but one can...
Definitely, with the amount of correcting and the possibilities that when you go wrong, you can actually make an absolute idiot out of yourself. So although it's leisurely, it has its own stress. But we did it. Nobody laughed at us. They clapped.
Once.